Renewable Energy Expo. 28th to 30th of April 2022, Chennai Trade Center.
Hi, Mr. Vinod. How do you rate the show? And I know that we are doing already these products, these kind of products. Almost you have a strong presence in other countries too. How do you rate yourself the show and your
Yes,
products?
yes, sir. Actually, we are attending this RE from 2018. We rated 10 out of 10 because we have many clients through this RE expos. Actually, in 2017, we had some about 500 kilowatt of customers for domestic, which we got a benefit out of it. Right now, we are also targeting for domestic subsidy scheme customers, and we are getting many domestic customers here, and more commercial customers are also coming into this act. Actually, we are a part of this RE for the past 5 years. We are a long pioneer company. We are the longest serving EPC company in Tamil Nadu right now. So we are here for 36 years. We do all solar PV projects and thermal projects. Through this REI, we have got some 500 to 1000 kilowatt of order for the past 5 years, and we have a good experience with RE, especially with Giri sir. We have a great experience here. So he's a guy who offers us at the best level, and this REI benefits KCP Solar at any point. And this REI 2022 is playing a good role here, and we are also getting some good customers like business customers and domestic customers here, and we are getting benefit out of it. I think so this continues for a year.
Thank you, Mr. Vinod. Thank you, thanks.